How to fix dark mode being too bright. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. If your dark mode is too bright or you feel like it's too bright, you might be missing out on a feature that is available on your Android. So before I teach you guys what that is, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right in. So if your dark mode is too bright, what you'll need to do is manually lower your brightness and your temperature. So swipe down from the top. Make sure that it's all the way down. The brightness is all the way to the low option. And after you've done that, you can enable your extra dark or extra dim option. For that, go to your settings, go to your display, search for display, head over there, go to your dark theme, enable it, and there you'll find the extra dark mode option. Tap on that. Now extra dark mode will enhance darkness for better contrast. And now you can head back and then go to your accessibility. On your accessibility, you should find an option that says vision enhancement. So under vision enhancement, you will find extra dim. Sometimes it's under the display section as well. So tap on extra dim and you're good. And that's how you fix your dark mode being too bright. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.